Hello. Welcome to our channel The Connection. We offer a platform which helps connect buyers with sellers. Today we will share with you everything you need to know about
The new age mixer grinder is here. It's an amalgamation of extraordinary style, advanced technology, and smart features. Havells introduces Silencio, the ultra premium mixer grinder, designed for an unparalleled experience. Its new age stylish design with sleek contours is crafted with extreme precision and adorned with a premium finish, giving Silencio its unique and posh look. The heart of its silent performance is the revolutionary HVDC low noise motor. The innovative technology of this industry-first motor ensures considerable reduction in noise levels than ordinary mixer grinders. The patented air exhaust system maximizes efficiency by providing fast cooling of the motor and further reducing the noise levels. Operated easily through its feather touch control panel and a smooth jog dial. The sleek LED display helps you alternate between smart presets that deliver consistent output every time. Silencio smartly detects if the jars and lids are not properly placed and prevents operation for maximum user safety. To ensure long life of the product, an indicator reminds you whenever Silencio needs servicing. The sharp stainless steel blades are designed to grind the toughest dry and wet ingredients. The specially designed flow breakers and slow grinding process ensures chunk-free grinding while retaining the texture and nutrient value of the ingredients, giving authentic taste every time. The ergonomically designed jars have a lid lock system to avoid spillage and hands-free operation. These insulated jars are double-layered for extra durability and to further subdue noise, and come in many sizes to meet your every grinding, mixing or blending need. Silencio from Havells for the ultimate experience.
Havells Mixer Grinder Silencio. Let's first talk about its features. Havells Mixer Grinder Silencio रसोई के लिए एक बेहतरीन उपकरण है। इसमें शक्तिशाली मोटर और नवाचारी शांति प्रौद्योगिकी है, जो ध्वनि को कम करती है और सुगम संचालन सुनिश्चित करती है। स्टेनलेस स्टील के जार और मजबूत निर्माण सुनिश्चित करते हैं कि यह उपकरण दीर्घकालिक उपयोग के लिए बना है। इसका एर्गोनॉमिक डिजाइन उपयोगकर्ताओं को सुविधा प्रदान करता है। विभिन्न गतिमान और उपयोगी संलग्नकों के साथ Havells मिक्सर ग्राइंडर साइलेंशियो रसोई का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है। Now let's review it. Havells मिक्सर ग्राइंडर साइलेंशियो रसोई में एक कमाल का उपकरण है। इसकी शक्तिशाली मोटर और नवाचारी शांति प्रौद्योगिकी के साथ सुचारू और शांत संचालन सुनिश्चित करती है। स्टेनलेस स्टील जार और मजबूत निर्माण लंबे समय तक चलने की गारंटी देते हैं, जबकि इसकी एर्गोनॉमिक डिजाइन सुविधा जोड़ती है। इसकी विविधता और प्रदर्शन के साथ यह मिक्सर ग्राइंडर हर घर के शेफ के लिए एक आवश्यक उपकरण है। So we recommend that you can buy this high-powered mixer grinder with full confidence, and we strongly recommend this product as a special gift to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this video and please subscribe our channel. If you want to buy this product, the buy link is given in the description.